In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Google Docs. If you've ever made a list in Google Docs and wanted to organize it quickly in alphabetical order, there's a simple workaround you can use with Google Sheets. Google Docs doesn't always offer a direct alphabetize tool in the way people expect, so this method is an easy and reliable option. First, open your Google Doc and go to the section that contains the words or items you want to sort. Make sure your list is arranged in a clean list format, with each item on its own line and no extra blank spaces between them. That part is important because a tidy list will paste more cleanly into Google Sheets and sort correctly. Once your list is ready, click into the words you want to alphabetize, then highlight all of them and copy them. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the full list and nothing extra, especially if there's surrounding text in the document that you don't want included. Next, go to Google Sheets. You can open a blank spreadsheet for this, since you're only using it as a quick sorting tool. When the sheet opens, click into a cell and paste the words you copied from your document. If your list was formatted properly in Google Docs, each item should appear in its own row, which makes sorting much easier. After that, move to the top of the column where your pasted list appears. Be sure to right-click on the column header itself, not inside one of the cells. This is the key part, because right-clicking the header brings up the sorting options for that entire column. From the menu, click Sort Sheet A to Z. Google Sheets will instantly rearrange your list in alphabetical order. This is a fast way to handle sorting when Google Docs alone isn't giving you the control you need. Now that the list is sorted, click and drag over the words again to select them, then copy the newly alphabetized version. Go back to your Google Doc and paste the list where you want it to appear. And that's it. You've taken your original list, used Google Sheets to sort it alphabetically, and brought it right back into Google Docs. If you want the cleanest final result, it can help to quickly scan the pasted list afterward to make sure the spacing and formatting still look the way you want. This method is simple, effective, and great for organizing names, keywords, or any other text-based list in just a few moments.